Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hope you are good. I'm so sorry guys. Hope you're doing well. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a very big thumbs up. You can also share to your friends and your loved ones. My old subscribers, I say a very big thanks to you all. So guys, I just want to show you how you can do filling nails, as in your acrylic nails, how you can fill it. So guys, so you fix the nail with glass or normal nails. After that, you give it shape of your choice. So after that, you file it. When you file it properly, then you begin to fill it. As you can see, the way I'm filling it, to fill the nails, we have different types of acrylic powder, the colors you want, but today I'm just using clear, as in just pure white gel. So guys, let's pay attention and watch this tutorial from the beginning to the end, so that you won't mix any step of filling your nails, or filling your client's nails. So guys, you get a small bowl, then you pour your powder inside, and you get a small bowl as well. Then you put the liquid, then you begin to fill it. After when you fill it, then you begin to file just the way I'm filing it. Can you see? You file it properly, and make sure if you're doing acrylic, you do it halfway, so that it will be more easier for you to file. Can you see the way I'm filing it? You file the side. After filling, you file the top, the cuticle area, and you need to be very careful while filing it, not to injure your clients or your loved ones. So guys, that is how you keep going with the filing. Just make sure you file it carefully. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel once again. I keep begging you, and make sure you watch any of my video from beginning to the end, guys. Please, I'm begging you. I'm still begging you. Please make sure you watch my video, please. I need to hit 4K, 4,000 watch hour before the 15th of this month. Please guys, so you keep going with this filing aspect. Can you see? You make sure you file it very well. So after that, you buff it. You use your buffer to buff it to make it smooth. You buff it very well. So after when you're done with the buffing, you go ahead and you use your cuticle just to clean the cuticle area. You clean it very well. So after that, again, you buff it again to make it smooth. Can you see what I'm doing? You buff it again. You just have to be very careful, guys. So it's very easy. So the way you feel this clear one, as in the pure acrylic powder, that is how you feel the colored ones. Any color you want to feel, just pay attention and watch this tutorial. So after that, when you're done with the buffing, then you go ahead and use your cuticle, your I'm sorry guys, you use your cotton wool and your dissolver just to clean it, to make it look neat. So when you're done, for this particular one, I'm just putting sticker just to beautify the nails, and if you wish, you can put any of your color, the polish you want. So for this particular one, guys, this is the sticker I'm using, and if you want it very full, you use 2 pack of this sticker, but for this one is not really full, so I'm just using this 1 pack. So this is how you begin to add the sticker. Just make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. So guys, can you see the way I'm adding my sticker to the nails? You need to be very careful while you are opening the sticker from the pack. And if your nails are very short, you can use your needle just to bring it out. Then you use your hand to press it so that the sticker will be flat on the nails. Can you see what I'm doing here, guys? So that is how you keep going. Can you see? So now this particular one, I want to add a stone on it. Can you see the way I'm adding the stone? So you start with the big one, then you go ahead with the small one. Just fill the parts you want to put your stone with super glue, just little. Then you use your picker, and if you can use hand, you go ahead and use hand. So this is the final look of the hair. When you finish with this the stone, you go ahead and you apply your gel coat. So can you see, when you apply your gel coat, then you put it inside UV light. So guys, you cannot apply your gel coats and leave it like that. No, you can only apply your gel coats while you have your UV light. So after, when you're done, you go ahead. While doing the second hand, you put the other one inside the UV light, then you dry everything. So when everything dried, guys, can you see what I'm doing? So you just have to be careful while you are applying the gel coats, not too much, not to make the nails crack. And while you are putting it inside the UV light, put it separate so that the nail will not get cracked. So guys, this is the final look of the nails. Is dry already. After that, you apply your cuticle oil to the cuticle area. So guys, this is the final look of the acrylic nails. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. Please keep watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.